In this video, we're going to take a look at how to delete your Tumblr account. But before we do that, make sure to subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out, helps me create more awesome tutorials for you guys to enjoy. So let's get stuck into it. We're going to make our way over to Tumblr. So we're logged in at tumblr.com/dashboard. And the first thing that we want to do is click on account, which is in the top right hand corner if you're on a desktop. So we'll click this, and then we want to make our way down to settings and then click on that. So when the page loads, what we want to do is scroll down to the very bottom of the page, and you'll see an option called delete account. It's kind of grayed out, but turns red when you hover over it. So I'm going to click on delete account. And it's just saying, now, just a minute, you sure you want to delete your whole account? You'll be losing everything, usernames, themes, posts, messages, etc., forever. So yes, I do want to delete everything. So I'm just going to enter the email address for my account, and then also the password as well. And I'm just going to click on delete everything. And I'm just going to click accept. And that's it. It's gone. If you got this message, you've successfully deleted your Tumblr account. For more tutorials, please subscribe. See you in the next video.